Kasi napapansin ko, I know we have, Filipinos do have what we call, sabi nila, crab mentality.
Correct. Yes,
Okay?
yes,
I
yes.
mean, yun yung Pilipino, sabi nila. Pero we wanna really change that for the, for the our generation or for the next to come.
Correct.
That kailangan magkaisa kasi we need collaboration
Correct.
and
correct.
support each other in the business. Kasi being an entrepreneur is a lonely business.
Yes, yes.
You wake up every day as an employed,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
I mean, no one is telling you what to do or whatever, but you have to hustle every day
Mhm.
and talk to people every day and network with people and, connect with people who could help you in the business. Also, you could help them.
Correct.
So, yun ang parang probably turning
main-
point ko na I want to help entrepreneurs.
Mhm.
Kasi nga tayong mga Filipino, we have this mentality that go to school, get
Go-
good grades and get a job.
And then, and work for the money. Parang ganun.
Yeah, oo.
Work
So,
lang.
hindi talaga pinopromote sa ating mga Pilipino na maging entrepreneurs
Yeah.
that to own your own business.